Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Create your Binance account with a valid email and a strong password, then confirm the verification link within 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Next, enable 2FA using Google Authenticator or SMS to protect login attempts before sending ID documents. Finally, open Profile Identification and choose the correct verification tier for your region so you can view required documents, transaction limits, and whether you need basic ID or advanced proof of address to proceed. Select the ID type required, passport, driver's license, or national ID, and upload a clear photo in JPG or PNG format under 5 MB and at least 800 x 600 resolution. Also provide a proof of address dated within 3 months, like a utility bill or bank statement that shows your full name and address. Make sure document edges are fully visible, all text is legible, and there is no glare, blur, or crop before you tap Submit for review. Finish the selfie liveness check by centering your face in the frame, removing glasses, and following the on-screen head movement or blink prompts until the system confirms capture. After submission, expect the verification review to take between 15 minutes and 120 minutes depending on regional checks and current volume. You will receive an email and app notification when complete. Once approved, open Profile Identification to view your updated deposit and withdrawal limits. Then enable withdrawals, API access, or card purchases as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.